Hi, we've decided to add on this kit onto tvtrade.ie to cover the topic of how to get Albanian TV in Ireland, okay? Probably of most interest to people on this would be the Tring Sports Plus packages that are available. The relevant satellite is a Eutelsat 15.8 degrees. So it's the beam of the satellite is not really focused on Ireland, and because of that, rather than going for your standard 60 centimetre sky dish, you're going to need a much larger dish. And in this case, you're going to need a 1.1 metre satellite dish like I have beside me here. Okay, so I'm just going to cover the component parts that make up this kit and how it would slot together. Okay, so the main part of it is, of course, the satellite dish here. There's also a single LNB that goes with that, that's supplied with the satellite dish. We would have something like this 55 centimetre long heavy duty bracket that we mounted onto the wall using these anchor bolts here. Okay, it's important to use heavy duty anchor bolts in this because it's a significant weight in terms of this dish, and also obviously in the wind it's a lot of force, so the anchored security on the wall is very important. Also we have an installation kit to go with it, so we provide 20 metres of satellite cable here. We supply cable ties, connectors, and also plugs and bolts here as well. Okay, and then we come back down. So on the outside we basically have a dish mounted. We aim it towards the Eutelsat satellite, and then we run the cable inside, and inside then we have the satellite receiver. So on the ones that we've actually just opted for and made a choice for is the Zorro 9000. It's a combo box, and the reason that we find this ideal is a number of reasons. First of all, it's high definition. Second of all, it has a card reader on it. And third of all, as we rotate this around here, we can see there's two inputs in the back of this box. There's a satellite input, which is LNB in, and there's also antenna in. So you can actually, if you wanted to come along and put up a UHF aerial, run a cable and bolts, or cable and connectors in here, and actually add this Irish satellite channel, or Irish terrestrial channels on with this. So if you want to have a mix of we'll say, the Tring Sports and also this, it would be possible to do it. So the purpose of just this video here is just to give a quick overview of all the equipment that will be involved in it and the basic process. Setting up this satellite dish here, it wouldn't be overly easy. So I would advise normally with sky dishes and things like that, a little bit of determination and a few hours will probably get a sky or a free-to-air satellite dish up and running. With something like this, simply because of the size of the dish and the difficulties in mounting it, you probably would need a professional at the final step of it to actually have this kit up and running.